I'm more of a portrait painter, and what that's led to is me having a genuine curiosity about the people I'm painting. So community outreach, trying to understand the history of Portland and why certain individuals are important to highlight in artwork. I think it makes public artwork more interesting. My name is Alex Chiu, and I'm a painter and muralist that lives in Portland. So I'm originally from Southern California. My parents moved from Hong Kong in the 70s. There's only so much that they understood about how to be successful, and I think that they were worried for me. Like, they didn't think that art was something that could really make a living. But my mom always encouraged creative practice. So I do remember some of my first experience with painting and art really came from my mom. I definitely took it more serious than anyone would have thought. With any opportunity that I have to paint portraits or paint people into a mural, I just want it to be a little bit more intimate. Like, I want to include people in the neighborhood or like people that I know, and it's just a way for me to communicate to my own community and then show that I'm here to represent their stories and tell their stories, and it makes the work more interesting to me. I got married to my wife in 2010. We moved here on a whim from San Diego in 2012. I think Portland is based in neighborhoods, and we always ended up gravitating towards 82nd Avenue in general. And I think that it had a weird reputation when we moved here. Like, anywhere that's further away from the river, people have hesitation. But for me, there was a lot of comfortability in all the Chinese restaurants that were around. And I felt like I was finding more connections with food and culture in East Portland, like the Jade District. The part of punk culture that I was really drawn to was the idea that if no one there is gonna help you do it, then you have to do it yourself. That mentality to me has always been a part of how I create artwork. So, creating my own merchandise, figuring out how to screen print t-shirts and spreading it myself. For me, art was just a game about just making it happen and keeping it going. Mazzy? Here you go, Mazzy.
Where'd my shoes go?
I don't know. Art can really be taxing on you. Because in order to create the art that I want to do, I just have to put hours and hours and hours into it. After having a kid, it was just impossible. Like, I remember just constantly holding my newborn all the time and just having this little 4-inch notebook. And then that's the only way that I could keep my art alive, is just to draw while I was holding a baby with a bottle in my hand. So I think having a family and being an artist, it has to be a very deliberate process. I'm so stoked about this. This is like really awesome for me. This is the first time I'm seeing it. You gotta see it from this angle. See, look at this. So like their faces like come together and pull apart, but you're utilizing the walking path to be able to see it. It's like a full-on sculptural installation. This is one of those things that's like, I wouldn't even imagine I'd be able to do something like this in my life. So we've got these QR codes that we're gonna put onto it, and it's got interviews with the kids' parents. And then the parents tell their life story as well as like their hopes and dreams for their kids. So for me, there's a lot more intimacy, and I'm just really excited about this one. I've started building community through my artwork. So I feel like there's a lot of personal attachment that I have to the people and the locations and the history of this city. Art is just temporary. It's not gonna be there forever. So I think really the pride is having connection with the people who are there, really giving them something that they can connect to at the moment.